Hi, my name's John Rowbottom. I'm the head greenkeeper here at Woolley Park Golf Club near Wakefield. We've been farming in the village since 1922 and we opened a golf course in '95 on part of the farmland. So we've been using Trimax since basically day dot 1995. When we first opened, we've used a Stealth, we've used the Pegasus, and we've used now the Snake. Things we've benefited from with Trimax, certainly build quality, second to none really. It's been a fantastic piece of equipment right through our working life. And then reliability as well, you know, they're a fantastic piece of kit. You know, we've been running them for 20 plus years and hopefully, you know, our latest one will run for another 20 plus years. It speaks volumes that we've been using them ever since day one. You know, I think we've always been very happy with the product that they've turned out. Today we've been out there testing an upgrade really for our new Snake. Purchased it without the mulching kit. Now today we've been testing it with the mulching kit. Looking predominantly for ourselves at leaf management. We're a parkland course, so we get a lot of leaf debris about the course through the autumn months. So today we've been out there testing the mulching kit, see what it can bring to our mowing. And what a job it's done. You know, we've come out here in probably what's going to be the worst conditions for it. It's very damp, very sticky sort of day. And it's performed excellently. You know, I think once we get it out there on what we would consider a better day's cutting, you know, go out for a dry cut, it's going to turn those leaves to dust.